I am doing wudu for Allah.
Say Bismillah before starting wudu.
Rinse your mouth 3 times. Sniff water into nose and blow out gently from left hand 3 times.
Wash your whole face 3 times.
Pull up your sleeves. Wash your right arm up to the elbow 3 times, then your left arm the same way.
Take off your cap. Wipe your head once from the front to the back. Wipe inside and behind ears 1 time.
Wash right foot, then left, up to ankles 3 times. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
Your wudu is complete. Now you are ready to pray. Let's join the Jama'ah.